The notes that we have, they're getting old, and therefore we need to get new notes. That's really the reason. The reason why we started with the 1,000 notes was that they could be a stock out of those notes actually we are projecting there could be a stock out in around July, August, and so it was really necessary that we get new notes as quickly as possible. We've started with the 1,000, but the other ones will follow, and this is just the normal business of the central bank. The printing is being done by a German firm, and it's actually one of the best firms.